Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic, surface area and volume of sphere. Okay, first of all we will read about surface area and volume of sphere. Then we will give the example to relate it this. The collection of all points in three-dimensional space that are at a specific distance, referred to as the radius, from a given point is known as a sphere. It is a perfectly symmetrical three-dimensional shape called the center. Formulas can be used to determine a sphere's capacity and surface area. You can watch this. This is the center, this is the radius. Okay. The surface area and volume of a sphere are important in various fields such as physics, engineering, and mathematics. For instance, in physics, the surface area and volume of a sphere are used to calculate the amount of heat transfer between a sphere and its surroundings. In engineering, the surface area and volume of a sphere are used to design and manufacture spherical objects such as ball bearing and pressure vessels. This is the example of sphere. You can watch that. Find the surface area of a sphere whose radius is 21 centimeter. Pi is equal to 22 over 7 u. Or you can set that 3.14. Surface area of a sphere of radius is equal to R is equal to 4 pi R square. This is the formula. Okay. R is equal to 4 pi R square. Here we will put the values of pi and R, where R is equal to 21 centimeter. Radius. Okay, radius is 21 centimeter. Okay, pi is equal to 22 over. Required surface area is equal to S. S is equal to 4 into 22 over 7 into 21 whole square. We will simplify and find the surface area of a sphere. S is equal to 554 centimeter square. This is the example of surface area of a sphere. Second example, or example number 2, is how many liters of water a spherical tank can contain whose radius is 1.4 meter. Volume of a sphere with radius R is given by V is equal to 4 over 3 pi R cube. This is the formula of volume. Okay, R is equal to 1.4 meter, pi is equal to 22 over 7. Here we will put the values and simplify. We find the volume 11.499 meter cube. R is equal to 11,499 liter. This is the third example of find the volume of a sphere, the surface area of which is 2464 centimeter square. Surface area of a sphere of radius R is equal to 4 pi R square. Let R be the radius of the given sphere, then 4 pi R square is equal to 2464 centimeter square, because this is given is area of which is area. Okay, we will put the place of area, this value. Now we will simplify. Okay, R square is equal to 2464 centimeter square divided by 4 into pi. 2464 into 7, because value of pi is 22 over 7. Now we will simplify. Okay, R is equal to 14 centimeter. Let V be the volume of the sphere, then V is equal to 4 over 3 pi R cube. This is the formula. Okay, 4 over 3 pi into 14, because the value of R is 14 centimeter. Okay, now we will put the value of pi 22 over 7 and simplify. This is the 11498.66 centimeter cube approximately. This is the volume of the sphere.